Hello together. This is again once more a no-go situation on my Universal Windows Platform app UWP programming, and I think that's the same point why a lot of companies hate the UWP programming. And at the moment we have 2016 June, and now Windows is out for 1 year. Windows 10 is available since 1 year, but it's still. And they said, okay, you all have to program in universal apps, but the universal apps are really shit, let's say sometimes. And since they opened this stuff, they didn't really work on it. The universal apps were made for Windows Phone and Windows Desktop, but on desktop, and Windows Phone is now gone, and Windows Desktop is, let's say, Windows presentation framework is a lot better. This is the shit. Now I show you two no-goes at the moment, and the moment is very long, and so I'm waiting now since a year for this improvement. It's Windows. Oh, I hate it. At the moment I hate it because it's. I was working now for nearly 1 year on this stuff, and it's like a dead box. And I will show you something on there. Okay. Now, one no-go is when you make an application for and you want to open this application, a deep application, a good application, where you have a link, and when you have a file, your own file on your desktop, for example, and you want to open it, then you have no file access on that because you need the universal Windows apps only work on their own file storage. This is good stuff for Windows phones, but Windows it's bullshit. And here we have a file. Now I'm on the desktop myself. Yeah, it's the desktop. When I want to open this one, and I have registered my my app here on the Open With, then the app can't open that because, and I made a small dialogue in there. You need a file permission for that. You need a file permission, so you will only get a file permission when you open this the file picker. So I do it again, and then I have to say, okay, please go to my desktop, and I allow you the access on my desktop. So this is now a desktop, and the file was somewhere. Let's say, where was it? Pictures. It's really annoying. Okay, allow read. That's what I said. Okay, so I have to look up, and I have to give the access on there. But I have to take a file picker. They also made some special stuff on the programming, which when they said, okay, you have the handshake from open picker and file save picker, but this doesn't work, and I didn't find anybody who works with this. And it's the same one is with autoplay content. They made it really good to, if you have a file, and when you're in the Explorer, and when you see there, when you go to your PC, for me this is really terrible. And when I plugged in this this removable storage, then all this stuff, for example, here this is from McAfee, from all those dialogues in the Explorer. Here, the pure thing, all this is all old stuff from Windows presentation or from WinForms, but on universal apps that's not possible. So you have to go there. You may install some autoplay content, but that's all. And then you have to go to the autoplay system from Windows. Autoplay. You have to switch it on there. So this now I may say, okay, now I have to do this, and I'm a profession. So this is Windows. This is Universal Apps. No go. And I would say, okay, shit on it. After 1 year programming now and waiting for the Windows team, I will quite soon stop with programming on this. And I think, I'm not sure, but a lot of big companies said, okay, they cancelled the support of Windows Universal Platform apps. Maybe in some years, when they open that system, then they will go on. Another, have some small further aspects. When they have the Windows Explorer, for example, Microsoft Edge, this is based now on, they switched it on a Windows platform side. So you will see this when you click on there. This stuff is from the Windows platform programming. You will see it does not open. This is Windows platform. This is made for the phone, but there's no async and all this stuff really made in there. They have no delay. It's task delay, so it makes some refresh. I don't know. I think in Microsoft they don't have the programmers in there. The developers. It's called developers. Seems to be a dead born software child. So if you don't like it at the moment, like I do, then give me a thumb and say, okay, Microsoft, hey, you have to do something, because I will switch now also to somewhere. I hate this so much.